Hello guys and Vande Mataram. Here I am with a new video and with a new news, that is the CBSE syllabus is reduced. So how much is reduced I can't even tell. Some people are telling that it's reduced up to 30%. But I don't think it's 30%, it's very less. Reduced, some concepts are taken down, some concepts are omitted out. So today we will be discussing about the same thing, how much is the syllabus reduced and whatever is reduced, so how to study and everything could be discussed in the video. So there is a link by CBSE board, so I've given in the description. You can just go and visit that website. So Kendriya Madhyamik Shiksha Board, Central Board of Secondary Education, so revised curriculum for the academic year 2020 and 2021. So we have for secondary curriculum, that is 9th and 10th, and we also have senior secondary curriculum, that is 11th and 12th. So now if you want 11th and 12th, we have there, you can just visit and know more about that, but we'll just know about 9th and 10th. So let's see about main subjects first. That is, let's go to science, and if you want, the screenshot is here. You can just take screenshot of that. So there is a brief explanation about this curriculum, so I will not read that, you can just read, and there are some general instructions. Now we have that syllabus. So the syllabus is divided into 3 units. The first one is matter, its nature and behavior for 27 marks, organization in the living world for 26 marks, motion, force and work for 27 marks again. And total is 80 marks, 20 marks internal assessment, and grand total is 100. Now there is a 4th unit for the natural resources, and that could be only included for your portfolios, internal assessments and other 20 marks. Okay. So now if you think that matter, its nature and behavior, so there is no unit named matter, its nature and behavior. So how could we study? So there are some lessons included in this. So there is a information given here under unit 1, and that is nature of matter, or elements, compounds and mixture. This comes in the atoms and molecules lesson. So you can just tick that with your pencil. So I'll give you a photo here that you can tick easily and write down their marks. So particle of nature and their basic units, or I can say heterogeneous mixtures, homogeneous mixtures, colloids and suspensions. These come in our matter around us pure. So tick that also. Or you can tick only heterogeneous, homogeneous mixtures, colloids and suspensions. Atoms and molecules, we have law of constant proportion. We have a concept atomic and molecular masses. I think there are both concepts. Mole concept, very important. I've been telling you that mole concept will be very important. Relationship of mole to mass of the particles in numbers. Structure of atoms, electrons, protons, neutrons, and valency, it's very important. Chemical formula of common compounds, isotopes and isobars will always come. And the world of living, cell basic unit of life, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. It's very important. There may be differentiation questions on prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Multicellular organisms, cell membrane and cell wall, cell organelles, cell inclusions and cell organelles are the same one. Chloroplasts, mitochondria, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, chromosomes, basic structure and number. Then we have tissues, organs, organ system, organism. Okay. Then we have structure and functions of animal and plant tissues, meristematic and permanent tissues. The videos are made, you can just enjoy with them. Health and diseases, that is about why do we fall ill. And we have that infectious and non-infectious diseases, their manifestation, and also their principle of treatment and principle of prevention. Pulse polio programs, we have that concept. Moving things, people and ideas. Motion, force and work. So we have distance and displacement, velocity, uniform and non-uniform motion along the straight line, acceleration, distance time and velocity time graph for uniform motion, and uniformly accelerated motion, derivations of equation by graphical method, that is both for velocity and the speed. Elementary idea of uniform circular motion. Circular motion we have two times, I think, for the centripetal force and the gravitation, and also in the motion. Force and Newton's laws, that is force and motion, Newton's laws of motion, action and reaction forces, inertia of a body, that is first law of motion, inertia and mass, that is the relationship between inertia and mass. I'll make a video on that. Momentum, that is second law of motion, depends on the momentum, and the conservation of momentum, we'll study it in the later classes. Force and acceleration, elementary ideas of conservation of momentum. Gravitation, universal law of gravitation, force of gravitation of the earth, or acceleration due to gravity, or the mass and weight, and free fall is the same. Work, energy and power, work done by a force, energy, power, kinetic and potential energy, law of conservation of energy. Now only for internal assessment we have unit 4, that is physical resources, air, water, soil, air for respiration, for combustion, for moderating temperatures, movements of air and its role in bringing rain across India. Air, water and soil pollution, brief introduction, holes in ozone layer and the probable damages. Biogeochemical cycles in the nature, water, oxygen, carbon and nitrogen. So if you have noticed this, the first unit is about chemistry, the second unit is about biology, and the third is about physics. And we have about three lessons. In the chemistry we have 4 lessons, all those 4 lessons, because we also have structure of atoms also. So we have 4 lessons in the matters in our surrounding, that is matter, its nature and behavior, and we have 2 lessons or 3 lessons here in the organization in the living world, that is biology, and for physics we have again 4 lessons. So totally we have 4, 3 and again 4. So we have 11 lessons in the science, inclusive of the internal assessment. We can tell 12 lessons. For 4th unit we have only 1 lesson, that is natural resources. And practicals and else things you can read yourself. Let's go to the mathematics, because it's a bit confusing. So you may not understand mathematics, what is that. So we have here some points, you can read that. So we have totally 6 units here, that is number system, algebra, coordinate, geometry, mensurations and statistics and probability. So you may be confused that we don't have any algebra, geometry, mensurations. So how will we study this? So I will give you a photo here, you can just know how that is. So let me tell you that there are some other concepts like, number system, that is consists of polynomials, coordinate geometry. So the real numbers, we have a concept of real numbers in the number system, and algebra we have polynomials and linear equations in 2 variables. In coordinate geometry we have itself the coordinate geometry lessons, but some points are missing though that. Cartesian plane, coordinates of points, there are some points taken. So lines and angles we have proof questions. Triangles also we have motivate and some proof questions in them. Quadrilaterals we have both motivate and proof questions. Circles, constructions, mensurations, areas, there is no lesson called areas. Surface areas and volumes, there is a lesson. Statistics and probabilities we have. Okay. And this is how the syllabus is for 9th standard. You can just read out this and check out the language is also about the social science, and whatever you want, everything else is given. You can just read out in minutes and you can know about the syllabus, how it's changed. For many days we are not posting video because of this thing. We were confused how the syllabus will be changed, so sorry for that, but we will bring the videos very sooner and you will enjoy with the studies. Thank you. Jai Hind.